Jalapeño peppers stuffed with cheese. Super simple and delicious. September is Mexico Independence Day. And of course, we're celebrating it with jalapeño peppers stuffed with cheese. We're going to be using 6 San Marcos jalapeño peppers. We're going to cut them in half. We remove the seeds. Always cover your hands when you're handling the jalapeño peppers. We're using cream cheese and blue cheese. We're going to mix them both and we stuff them. Using some bacon, we're going to wrap them and secure them with a toothpick. Always use wood toothpicks when you use them on the oven, and I always wet them so they will not burn. What a delicious and quick way to celebrate Mexico's Independence Day.